Alright, so I have a bunch of video clips that only have the left channel audio. I want to make this stereo in both the left and right channel. So I'm going to use Avidemux to do this. Now this is open source free software. So to use this, I'm just going to drag and drop all of these files into here. I'll give it just a second. So it's imported all of the files. You can see them here and we can actually preview everything. So I'll go ahead and press play. And you can see that only the left channel has audio right here. So to fix this, I want to change the audio output to AAC Lav, go to filters, and then we will remix to audio, press OK. The other thing I want to do is back in filters, I'm actually going to enable compressor just to kind of fix some of the audio levels. Press OK on that, and then we just want to save it. Now when we save it, you can give it a name like mono or something like that, and then go ahead and press save. So now we have the mono file here. If I bring this mono file into DaVinci Resolve, which I use for video editing, everything looks fine and dandy right here. But if we go into Fairlight and we look at the audio channels, you can see there's still only one channel. It's still just the left channel here. So we actually want to go back to Avidemux. We'll close out of this. Now I want to drag the mono file into here. Give that a second. So now it combined all the files, so it's just one file. And if we look at it again, it looks like it has both channels in Avidemux, but this is still only a mono channel. So we'll verify that this is still AAC Lav. We'll go back to filters, and now we want to remix this to stereo. While I am here, I think I will bump up the gain a little bit to about 5 dB. This is the level that I will end up editing at. We'll save this again, and then we'll call this stereo. Go ahead and save. Here's a look at the mono channel. Again, you can kind of look at the gain levels. Now if I increase this to about 5 dB, this is kind of what we can expect to see on the stereo clip. So let's get rid of this, drag stereo in here, and the audio level is not quite as high, but it's higher than where it was in mono. Let's go to Fairlight, and you can see now we have the left and right channels, and everything is playing back in stereo.